Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is we are going to discuss the three major different of procurement used organizations across the world. This is very important topic. We are going to discuss about uh, what is direct procurement, what is indirect procurement, and services procurement. Understanding these concepts is extremely important if you are planning a career in procurement or supply chain management. Let's begin. What is procurement? Procurement is the process of acquiring goods and services required for an organization's operations. However, not all purchases are the same. Based on the business requirement, procurement is generally divided into three categories. Let's understand each one with examples. Direct procurement. Direct procurement refers to purchasing materials that are directly used in producing the company's final product. Without these materials, production cannot happen. For example, uh, automobile company buying steel and tires, mobile manufacturer buying chips and batteries, furniture company buying wood and plywood. Characteristics: high spend category, critical for business operations, long term supply relationships, requires proper demanding planning. For example, suppose a laptop manufacturer needs processor from Intel. Without processors, laptop cannot be manufactured. This is called direct procurement. Indirect procurement. Indirect procurement refers to purchasing goods that support business operations but are not part of the final product. For example, laptops and computers, office furniture, printers and stationery, housekeeping supplies, software licenses. Characteristics: supports daily business operations, usually involves multiple suppliers. Procurement is based on employee and business requirements. For example, your company, your company purchases office chairs for employees. The chairs help employees work comfortably but are not sold to customers. This is indirect procurement. Services procurement. Services procurement involves hiring external service providers. Instead of purchasing physical products, the organization purchases expertise or services. For example, security services, facility management, IT support services, consulting services, recruitment agencies, transportation services. Characteristics: service level agreements SLAs are important. Performance measurement is a critical. Contracts and deliverables needs or close monitoring. For example, your company hires a housekeeping agency to maintain office cleanliness. This is called service procurement. Now we are going to see the comparison, the three types at a glance. Each procurement type serves a distinct purpose and requires a different management approach. Use this comparison as a quick reference guide. Category: direct procurement, indirect procurement, and services procurement. For example, take category: purpose. uh, producing the final product, supporting daily operations, hiring external expertise. Examples: raw materials, components, laptops, furniture, stationery, security, consulting, IT support. Impact: if missing, product stops immediately. Operations become inefficient. Service delivery is disturbed. Supplier relationships, long-term strategic, multiple often transactional, contract-based SLA driven. Key focus: quality, continuity, cost, efficiency, user satisfaction, performance deliverables. Procurement types: direct, indirect, and services, each requiring a distinct strategy. Service categories: security, IT, consulting, requirement, transport, and facilities. Why this knowledge matters? Understanding procurement types is important. Understanding procurement categories helps organizations develop sourcing strategies, select the right suppliers, improve cost management, reduce procurement risks, increase operational efficiency. As a procurement professionals, we should know how to manage each category different manner.